Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how to unpair Bluetooth earphone with our Tecno phone. Means guys you have paired any device and guys you want to unpair to your phone. So then how can you unpair? And guys I want to unpair guys my Bluetooth earphone to my Tecno phone. Today I will show you guys how to unpair Bluetooth earphone to our Tecno phone. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video guys. First of all friends we will on our phone setting guys to unpair it. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see guys this type of setting. Friends, click on more connection setting. Guys, click on phone Bluetooth setting. And friends, you can see we have paid this Ubon CL company earphone guys. We want to unpair. So right side setting option guys, tap here guys. You can see phone calls guys. You want to off, and guys you can media audio guys. You want to off. You can on and on from here guys. And once you can see the forward option guys, tap here to unpair. And it will unpair guys, you cannot use it. If you use, so you will have to pair again, pairing request guys, you will have to pair again guys. So like that guys, you can unpair your Bluetooth earphone to your Tecno mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.